Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can organize tests into groups and run uh, run tests belonging to certain groups. Okay, so if I go to PyPy page, here we can see nRoBo supports grouping of tests, and by default it supports sanity, UI, regression, no GUI, and API groups. So let's go to test directory, open PyPy home page test file, and these tests are already created. Let's collapse all, and there are two tests. Here you can see that one test is marked as sanity. So it means that this test, Google branding displayed on homepage, belongs to sanity group. And second text we have marked as regression. And let's copy first test for illustration purpose only and paste here, and mark this test as, and this is the standard PyTest way to mark a test as a certain group. So this test is marked as UI, so it will belong to UI test. So we have three tests now. One test belongs to sanity group, one test belongs to UI group, and one test belongs to regression group. And now if I want to run only regression test belonging to regression, so we have to use -m switch, or you can, this is the short version, and the longer version is a hyphen marker switch. Both way we can target certain groups of tests to run. So here we targeted regression group test only. So since we have only one test in regression group, this will run the one test that belongs to regression group. And test is running. Browser instance spun up, browser open URL, and execute steps, and report is ready. You notice that only one test has run that belongs to regression group, and that's the test. Okay, now let's say we mark one test and that belongs to two groups. For example, this test belongs to now UI group and regression group both. And if we run the same command, we target regression group test to run, and this time two tests are, so let's run them in parallel. So -n and then 4, so 4 instances of test will run in parallel. And since we have only two, so only two tests will run. So let's run it, but this time regression group has two tests, so it will run two tests in parallel. So test started running. Let's wait. Yeah, they started running, and okay, browser instance created, and open browser. Two tests here we can see, two browser instances are open now this time, and both the tests are running in parallel now. Here we can see mm, okay, they are running now. Somehow my system is a little bit slow while I'm preparing this video. Running, and this should be the last step. Okay, test completed and report is ready. Let's open the report and let's open the report. Click. Two tests has run and both have been passed. Here are the screenshots. Thank you.